So let's see what you get with the 23andMe. So they had a sale that I took advantage of on the Health and Ancestry Personal Genetic Service, which was regularly $199, and I ended up getting it for $139, plus standard shipping, which was $9.95. So the total was $148.95. And I ordered it late in the evening on a Wednesday, and I believe I got it on the following Monday. So a very, very good service. And once you order this, they'll provide you with a link to a PDF that you can print out, and it'll give you the instructions for collecting the DNA sample. So it comes in this sleeve. And there's the actual box. So in here is your collection kit. And I'm going to cover up the numbers that are on the tube. So the box that everything is shipped in becomes your actual box that you'll use to ship everything back. No food or drink for 30 minutes. Spit to fill line. Close the funnel. Detach funnel, screw on cap. Seal it in a bag and mail it. So as you can see, the box that the test kit came in, on the lid here, you peel off this front paper, and when you close it, it will seal the box shut, and then the box is what you'll use to send everything back to 23andMe. And when you get this, when you take off the sleeve over this box, what you have then is the actual return address. You don't even have to do anything. It's all filled out for you. I'm going to be covering up the tracking number, but makes it nice and simple and easy to do. So inside this plastic container that has the complete kit, you also do get the instructions as to how to take the sample. This is the plastic bag they give you, that once you collect the spit for the DNA sample in the tube, you'd put it in here. And this is what your sample will go into. This is the tube. There's the cap that once the sample's collected to the fill line, pull that off, screw the cap on, and you're ready to send it in. So it's kind of interesting, now that I've taken this out and I see how that is, how that's shipped to you. So that's back there. You don't have to do anything else other than just flip this over and break the seal to get into where your saliva is in the tube. Quite interesting. So this is what the collection tube looks like. You would spit in here until it gets to the fill line without bubbles. Then you take this and you close it, and there's a liquid in there. Then that'll mix with your saliva. Push it shut so that it breaks the seal. Rotate that off, put the cap on, and then they want you to shake it for 5 seconds. Now on the other side of this, which I'm not going to show, is your registration number, so they know who it is for the kit that you bought, and you'll need that to register online. So I've collected enough spit to just a little bit over the fill line, and now I'm ready to close the lid. So you can see the cellophane there with the fluid that'll mix. Pull that off. Put the cap on. They say to shake it for 5 seconds. There it is. Pretty simple. The next step is to put the sample tube into the collection bag, and they say do not remove the absorbent pad. So it's in here. Apparently I'm not too coordinated. It was, you pull this plastic sleeve off, and I got kind of screwed up down here, but it should be good enough. Now, you know, they don't tell you to necessarily do this, but I think I'm going to put this in the little plastic container that it came in, just so it doesn't get jarred around. Then we'll peel off tag at the top. That. So I've got it inside there. There's the sticky that'll seal the box. There it is. Pretty simple. All I gotta do is wait for the results.